Oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a nice quick tutorial on this twist out result that I received using Uncle Funky's daughter. IG saw it first, but I definitely wanted to bring it to this platform just to be able to show you guys what my current hair length looks like and how I achieved these results. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you scroll through my videos so that you can get an in-depth feel and tutorial on how to achieve a twist out, how to separate a twist out, and all the great stuff. So at this point, I used the Midnite Train Leave-In Conditioner and the Supercurl Moisture Cream, applied that, and now I'm just taking two strands and twisting it all the way to the end and twirling it with my finger. That is how I achieve this two-strand look. It didn't take me long to achieve this style because my hair is super short at this. I'm not gonna say super short. Let's just say my hair is longer. I big chopped back in June. It's only been 9 months, and I really love how long my hair is getting and how it's just thriving. So to unravel, you literally take the two strand, twist it around your finger in the opposite direction, and you separate. That's all, just like you see here. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Please make sure that you follow me on Instagram, on Pinterest, on all of my social media platforms. Let's vibe, let's connect. And of course, to achieve the amazing volume that you need when you get a twist out, if you like volume, I love volume, you're going to grab your pick and just pick at the root. Lift it up a little bit. Don't ever go all the way to your end because that will disturb the twist out pattern. But let me know what you guys think about my results. Like I said, make sure you watch all of my videos, subscribe for more, and I will catch you later. Bye.